Hey folks, hope you guys are having a great day. We are going to do another big sign carvers of the day, or what we call the SCOTDs. Just so you guys know, remember that in the description underneath almost all of my videos, there are links. If you want to see more of these, there are hundreds and hundreds of these on our Facebook page in different albums, and the links to those are down in the description below at the very bottom. Anyway, if you guys want to see a bunch of cool signs. All right, so let's take them one at a time. Pamela Mundell. So this one, she said she was kind of inspired by the John Malecki sign I did, and she used the little LED lights. You can see the little box, the little battery box there somewhere. Oh yeah, over there.
Is that rope she has?
Yeah, it's rope around
cool.
there.
Very
Yeah,
clever.
it's really cool. Very nice sign. So, moving on. Matthew Joslin.
Ooh, I like
This
that.
is
I
made
love that
for
rope.
his nurse. He actually made this for his nurse. Yeah, cool colors. Andrew Murphy. Now this is Andrew's son, Jonathan, and
that is cool.
he loves this sign his dad did for
I am
him.
a Jedi like my father before me.
Yeah, so his dad made it for his son.
He looks happy.
Yeah,
His little face.
that's really a cool sign.
What a cutie.
Great job. And Floyd Bassett. Check that one out.
Okay, so just a smidge.
Oh, that way?
No, turn it.
Oh,
There you go.
there? What, glare?
No,
Okay.
these don't.
Okay,
Looks like there was a glare when the picture was taken, but
yeah.
that's cool.
Yeah, beautiful. A lot of work on that one. It kind of reminds me, that's kind of the shape of the Rolling Hill sign I did for John Peters. Great job, Floyd. Keith Henry, one of his first signs. This was actually done, you know, it doesn't happen a lot, but it was actually done with a Dremel and a plunge base. They didn't even use a router. He used a smaller version of a router, a Dremel and a plunge base. Terrific job. Our buddy Frank Jenkins from
Frank's the
Texas.
man. Let's see. It should have turned it. How many from sideways?
Huh?
You should have turned it face on. That is cute.
That's for his neighbor. And one of our guys from the UK.
I love this. I've
Yeah.
always liked that tree.
So this is tulip wood, and he's got about 12 and a half hours in this sign.
That's beautiful.
So Alan is a true artist.
Yeah.
He is, I've talked to Alan for several years now. Terrific guy. All right, that's that one. Cliff Shaw. This one's beautiful.
You
Yeah.
have to do something with those trees as a template. I like that.
Yeah, those are really neat. Well, you kind of do on some of the deer scenes and
yeah,
stuff.
but not just the trees like
Yeah,
that.
those are really
That's
cool.
a beautiful sign.
And they
What
look
kind of wood
great
is
as a
that?
silhouette.
What kind of wood is that? Does he
It
say?
looks like pine to me. I'd say that's pine or spruce. Michael Hoyt. So he did this one for a local bait and tackle shop. Beautiful stuff. I love that fish. That came out so cool. And here's another one, fishing wise. Joe Van Mill lives down in Phoenix. Yeah, it is. This is actually a sign that he did for a neighbor that drove by. Remember when we were down there and did the interview with him, and a neighbor drove by that makes actual fishing lures, and this was he made this for him, for his one of his neighbors, and that's his first commercial sign. Great job, Joe. Beautiful. Derek Madrum? Martin. This is a
Derek?
I think it is. Yeah. This is a Welsh dragon, and that's off of their flag.
That's cool.
So, sea witch is a Welsh word for cuddle.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's the meaning
That's
behind
cool.
that one. Glenn Fournier. Sorry for that. I need to see him from the backside. Man
That's
cave. Very cool.
Man Cave skate sharpening. Very cool.
Yeah. Great job.
Great letters.
Terrific, Glenn. Alan Clune, I think. So this, he used 5/4 pine stair treads. And you know what? I've always thought about that possibility because I see those at Home Depot and Lowe's, but I've never put them together. But this guy put together stair treads, and then on top, if you look real close, you can see some blue streaks in there. So he put some blue in there on top of the black, and then he put a little bit more black over the top, so it kind of blended in. I just think it's a cool look, very cool look. Great job, Alan. Matthew Ferrer.
I'm not sure. I just got router bits from him. I can't pronounce his last name.
So this is interesting. This is actually a piece of select pine with some Sedona red stain down the middle to give it a cedar look. Somebody else had done that just recently. I've seen that. And it's really a cool idea. If you want to take a piece of just plain white pine, throw some cedar down the middle, it gives it a western red cedar or an eastern red cedar look. Zane Easley. Now this is such a cool color, but I'm not sure honestly whether it was my printer or whether it's the sign, because it's almost like my printer was running out of ink, so I'm not sure. But either way, it's a cool picture.
Yeah,
cool color, and I love the blue and the wolf with the blue in the eyes.
If it's not your printer, I'd like to know what kind of wood that is. That's
Yeah,
gorgeous.
it almost looks like purple wood.
Yeah.
Like Purple Heart. Yeah. Andy Littleton. So he used Rapid Resizer for the layout. You guys have heard us talk about Rapid Resizer quite a bit. Excellent job. Great job, Andy. And this one's Bo Trower down in Texas. Check that one out.
What does it say? Salt Life?
Salt Life, yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah. So I don't know who he made this for. It doesn't tell me, but I think it's such a cool sign, the way he put it in a frame and everything. I think that's really slick. Shane Northridge, check this one out. I just think this sign is so classic. I just think the style of letter is good, the little bit of color that he worked in there. So he used used an old tabletop that he was using as a workbench and made a sign out of it and sold it.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Isn't that gorgeous? I love the whole theme of that and everything. Very, very cool. It's a guy thing. Josh Howell. Lots of background on this. That's the 8th day God created a farmer, right? Yeah. Sounds like something Paul Harvey would say.
Yeah.
Steve Hickey. What does that say? Oh, I'm sorry. South Yorkshire.
Oh, that's cool.
He and his wife are going to display this at their first fair, which has already happened. But he sent this to me in April. But their first fair is in June. So I wonder, how'd you do, Steve? Let me know. Anyway, yeah, in case you guys are wondering, these are all from April, and we're in August. So running just a wee bit behind. So we got to do this more often. It's just we've been doing so many demos and stuff lately.
First big sign.
So this one,
Very nice.
he's a chainsaw carver, and this is his first big sign that he did with a router. 3-inch pine slab, 20 by 34. Big sign. Great job. Terrific, Noah. All right, so Billy Burt. I think this is Billy Burt has his own channel actually.
The Messy Studio.
Yeah, that's the name of his channel.
Sign?
Go check him out. Actually, I watched several of his videos. He does really all kinds of different stuff, turning and different stuff. But go check out his channel. Great job, Billy.
Studio.
Huh? The Messy Studio, yeah. Nigel. I think this one's really
That
cool.
is cute. I like that hedgehog.
Yeah, and the way he did that shape of the sign out at the end, that's really neat. I love the way you did it. Great job, Nigel. Love it. Cool logo. Patrick Harnish. I've talked to Patrick many times. In fact, I think we've even talked about this sign a little bit. A lot going on there. Came out really, really good, Patrick. I'm sure the customer was thrilled with it. Terrific. I think it's pretty good size, but I didn't write it down. I apologize. John Saunders. Saunders, yes. This is a license plate frame for his wife.
license plate frame?
Yeah, for the front of her car. You know, like on the front, you can have a license plate. Yeah, it's not a frame really; it's a license plate duplicate, I guess, or something.
That script,
yeah,
writing it.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Great job, Andy Earl. Check that out. And Andy is just a first-rate sign carver and even a better human being. I love Andy. We got a chance.
Andy. Hi, Kimmy.
Hi, Kimmy. We got a chance to become friends with Andy and Kimmy when they came through Kingman.
One of these days we're going to get to Alabama.
We're going to get back down to Alabama one of these days and hang out with those guys. All right, Charles Jett. Beautiful sign.
Like that tree.
He's selling these in RV parks, and he said it's going great. Tons of orders. Beautiful sign. Yeah, looks like something off the Serengeti. Yeah, beautiful. Bob Armstrong.
I like that shape.
Great job. Beautiful. I bet those would be really popular as well.
Cabins and stuff.
Yeah, cabins and travel trailers.
He's in Australia.
Yeah. Yep. Great job, Bob. Bob, how do you say that? Portalis.
Very first signs.
Yeah.
Now those are those carved? That one on the front, on the top one there?
I believe it is.
Whoops, well, you moved it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Wow.
I believe it is.
Great job.
Terrific job, Bob. Excellent. And the last one, Jason Pitt. So this is for his friend's 10th anniversary. These are favorite soccer teams, and they're both from England.
Very cool.
Beautiful sign.
Good job,
Jason does some amazing things. I think Jason's in Canada. All right, you guys, we're going to lay these all out, get close-ups of all of them, and so we'll be right back. What a fantastic group of signs and sign makers. You guys knocked it out of the park. Sorry I'm running so far behind on these. These, again, are from April, and I don't even think I'm all the way through April. But
we'll be doing more of these.
Yeah, we'll try and kick in, because you guys really seem to. And by the way, let me know if these are boring for you and you guys don't want to see these, then let me know. But I think I get nothing but positive response from you guys seeing what other people are doing. It sure inspires me. But don't forget, all of the sign carvers of the day, if you go into the description on this video, and actually all of our videos for the recent, I don't know, 6 months or so, you'll see links to groups of sign carvers of the day over on our Facebook page. That's where all of these reside after we do a video on them. So go check them out, man. There's tons and tons of great inspiration. But you guys knocked it out of the park. So much great talent here. So that is it for today, guys. Hope you enjoy this. And again, I'd love some feedback from you. Leave me comments or send me specific emails direct to me, Eric@makerwoodsign.com. If you have any questions at all, anything I can help with, be sure and let us know. Hope you guys have a great day. And if you haven't subscribed yet, we'd love for you to. Just click that little bell icon to make sure you get notification. We post 3 videos a week normally. And that seems to be the case. We got, gosh, over 800 videos now. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. We love you, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.